In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to change the background of this picture. We are going to learn how to easily change any background in any portrait. You can see the background is blue. We're going to change it to any color very easily. So we start by hitting on Ctrl+J to duplicate the picture, and then we come to the selection tool. We right click and select the quick selection tool and select the subject. Now the image is selected. You can see the AI tool has done a great job. We don't need to do any work on this selection. It's a perfect selection. So what we'll do is to create a mask here. So you can see the icon here. We'll create a mask. We hit on it to create a mask on it. So now what we'll do next is hold on Control and select the mask. So you can see it's selected. Remember to hold on Control on the keyboard and select the mask here. The mask here. So next, what we'll do is to come to the icon here and select solid color. So now solid color is selected. You can select any color that you want. So let's see, if you want yellow, so you can select yellow. If you want green, you can select green. If you want purple, you can select your purple. So let's say we want to use purple, for example. So we hit OK. Now come and select the color fill one here and hit on Control+I on the keyboard. And also remember, on Mac is Command+I on the keyboard. So I'm using the Windows, so I will hit on Ctrl+I on the keyboard to invert the color. So boom, you can see the color was then blue, and after then it's purple. No, you can change it again. You can now double click on this and then choose any color that you want. You can choose green, you can choose white, you can choose black. So you can choose any color that you want. Choose any color that you want. So you can choose blue again. You can choose here. So you can change the colors. So you can choose even yellow. You can choose yellow. You can choose orange if you want. So you have a lot of colors here. So you can choose a lot of colors that you want. Then after then, remember to hold on this and come to the blending mode here and choose hit on this side, and you can choose your multiply or your dark, your lighten overly to blend the colors. If you can see it, so if you can multiply, you can hit on multiply. So now, see the colors, you can change it to any color and change it to any color that you want, red, green, blue. So you can see. All right, so this was then and now, then and now. Remember, you can change it to any color that you want after this. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime we post a video, you get notified.